Peace guys, it's Kay Cola, CEO of OrganiGrowHairCo and OrganiGlow Skin Co. And today we are going to show you how to use our Dry Poo dry shampoo for dark hair, and we also offer it for light and blonde hair. So our friend Solange just got her hair pressed and washed. So this is day one of her wash and press and curl. Look at that shine and volume, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Okay, so it's been about a week now, and Solange's hair is thin and fine, and it's had a lot of oil buildup. So hairstylist Chad Andre is going to apply the dry shampoo to her roots and refresh her press. So what you want to do is grab a makeup brush and part the hair into sections. And then you're going to apply the dry shampoo to the roots only. Okay, and then you're gonna brush the dry shampoo through the hair and continue to apply throughout the roots so it can cover all of that oil that she collected over the week. Now Solange's hair is naturally curly, so this can work on both straight hair and curly hair, but her hair gets very oily. And again, this has been about a week, so she's collected a lot of oil over the week. Just being a mom and going to work, and especially during sleep, you can collect a lot of oil. So once you've distributed the dry shampoo throughout the hair, you're gonna brush through, and Chad here is going to part the hair again and refresh her press so that she can get it to last another full week. Now Solange's hair is really healthy. She uses the low porosity bundle to keep her hair full, shiny, and long. Look at that shine, guys, and this is with no new product applied. And as you can see, the dry shampoo has fully disappeared in her hair, so it's not something that will show, and you can totally not even tell that it was applied to her hair. And wow, look at that. A completely new transformation. So her hair basically looks like it was rewashed and repressed, and she can wear this style for a full week. Head over to our website, make sure that you subscribe and click the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions in the comment box. And as always, happy growing!
Your aura got that glow. Something like my spirit animal.